Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue where your Samsung Galaxy phone screen is black and it won't turn on or respond to any button presses. If this guide helps you, please give the video a like and consider subscribing because it really helps me out. Sometimes, if the battery gets too low, your phone won't be able to turn on at all and the screen will just stay black. So the first thing to do is plug your Samsung phone into a charger, leave it charging for at least 20 minutes, and then try turning it on again. If it still doesn't turn on, we can try a hard reset which won't delete your data but will force the phone to reboot. To do this, hold down the volume down button and the power button at the same time for about 10 to 20 seconds. You'll feel the phone vibrate and see it reboot, and that should fix the black screen issue. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.